In the busy morning in Bengaluru, a minivan hurriedly speeds to cross the signal. Both vans had to abruptly brake as the signal turned on, resulting in a collision. Let's watch in slow motion as the events unfold, examining the moment both vans. Argument started between the drivers of both vans following the minor collision. So, whose mistake is this? Comment with your views on the video below. Abhi OnRoad channel is dedicated to promoting safety awareness. Kindly like this video and explore more content on our channel. Drive safe. Do not rush. Thanks for watching.